Hello and good morning. I wanted to come to you guys with a video just so I could, first of all, make a quick video for clarity, okay, to make sure I clear up the discussion board for this week. You've already seen some of the things that you have to do for your assignments this week, so hopefully you guys have already taken the time to try to look at your assignments. You have a discussion board. You're also watching a video and taking a quiz for that. You can let me know if you have any questions. But for the discussion board, let me just really quickly go over this. And this is going to be a very brief video, okay? The discussion board for this week, okay? There are two different forums, okay? In the two forums, your name has been assigned to one of the forums, okay? With that said, let me just try to see if I can move this, scoot it down a little bit. One is Google Making Us Stupid by Nicholas Carr. The other is An Outbreak of the Irrational, okay, by Sarah Duzabay. Now, here's the thing. Although you have been assigned to one or the other, you can still respond, okay, on either. So let's say, for instance, and I think I posted this kind of in as a quick note, if you've been assigned to Ethos, right? So let's say, let's go here. So Miss Valerie Dennis, right? So she's been assigned to Ethos. That's okay, right? But she can still post. So if she wants to respond to someone in this chat, or if she wants to bounce down and respond on An Outbreak of the Irrational, that's okay too. Your two replies don't have to be, you're not confined to just talking to the people in your Ethos group, okay? So I like to make sure that I clarify that, because sometimes students feel like they can only talk about Ethos, and I don't want you to feel like you have to do that. As long as you get your two replies in, that's all I'm looking for. And I will be able to see every time you post something. I can see all of it when I go into grade. But I wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of that. Make sure you look in, the list of names, because although, you may only see is Google Making Us Stupid, the Outbreak of the Irrational is the other one. So you need to be checking, to make sure that you have indeed made sure that your name, or figured out where your name is, okay? So that's the other thing. So I've gotten some emails where folks are saying, hey, I don't see my name, I haven't been assigned. Check for your name. You are assigned. Now, if you check both forms and you don't see your name for some reason, which I don't think that you would, email me, let me know, and I'll make sure I get you added. But I'm almost certain I tried to triple check to make sure that I had everyone assigned to a group. So just make sure you're going through and looking at those names, okay? Also, just make sure, of course, your minimum post is going to be 350 words, okay? And then, of course, again, 150 words each for your replies, okay? So make sure that you follow the post information. Make sure that you incorporate quote. You want to ICE it, right? So we're incorporating a quote, citing it, of course, and making sure that we're explaining why it's important, okay? If you have any additional questions, please let me know. But I'm hoping that this kind of clarifies and lets everyone know you do indeed have, you are assigned to a group. You just need to make sure you're checking for your name in either one of the groups. And again, you don't have to just feel confined to responding to just, is Google Making Us Stupid? I do want to see you guys kind of, respond on both, because you do need to read both for this week, okay? I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day and rest of your week. Please let me know if you have any questions. Bye.